Alright guys, in this lesson we are gonna learn switch case situations over here. So let's start. In the start switch, then give him a value, then case, then goes and goes like that, case n, and then default. If you add default, it will be last line, and you can't have to be add default over here, by the way. But if you do, it's exactly perfect. Before we go further, let's start. Let's say printf and like enter a number. We say it's really basic, by the way. You can also check this out. Extreme examples. I'm gonna add extreme videos too about switch case tutorial. Okay. Enter a number. First, define a number. Integer first number. Then scanf. Let's go with ampersand fnum. Let's go with that. Then switch first num. In case 1, enter a number between 1 to 4, 1 to 3, or let's case 1. Say it, I don't know, good morning, printf good morning. Then we need to use break over here. I'm gonna explain it later. Well, then case 2, printf good afternoon. Then we need to use break. Then case 3, we need to use printf good evening, right? Before we can do this, let's add break. And default situation is default. If not 1, if our first num is not 1, 2 or 3, it goes to the default, okay? So printf please enter number between 1 to 3. You don't need the break over here, but let's do break too. Okay, so let's check this out, shall we? Let's try 1, good morning. Let's try 3, good evening. Let's try, I don't know, a bigger number or minus like that. Please enter number between, because it goes to 3. If we don't use break over here, let's check this out one more time. 1, like as you see guys, it turns on the case 1, but there is no break, so it goes and goes to case 2 and good afternoon. There's no break either, so it goes and goes case 3 and good evening, then break, then stop. So we don't want that, so we should use break situation over there. I'm gonna explain it more significant later, but for switch case it's just that. Lesson is done.